Definitely. Had you painted before you came to do Bloom Sydney?
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Not too much. Not too much.
Wow.
Only just blocks of color and scratching with the palette knife. That's about it.
A wonderful and primitive start.
Yes.
And how do you feel? I can't believe that you've done this one all by yourself.
Thank
having
you.
learned what you learned through the first one.
Yeah.
And you know, yeah, a lot of work in that, and you did it. And then this one is untouched by teacher's hand. You've completely seen your colours and completely got what you got to do. Completely followed the process and got a great result. And you're finishing early.
I am, yes.
Incredible.
Yeah, so, yeah, it was a great course. I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. So much information. Just very neatly packaged. Just how I like it. Look what I did.
Well done.
It's way better than a palette knife. So yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
So
you
you're going to be
so
doing
much.
some more, do you think?
Yes, I have a blank canvas that's been sitting in my closet for about 3 years. And I think it's going to get something put on it now. Maybe next week.
Thank you so much. It was wonderful to have you here, and I just loved your enthusiasm and hardworking attitude.
Thank you.